Natalie here. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 types of slime pokers. Yeah, 10. So yeah, let's get into the video. If you're wondering, this video is like inspired by Cheng, and if you don't know who she is, I'll leave her YouTube video YouTube linked on the description box below. I love her videos so much. I love you, Hui. I'm very sorry for background noises, just my sister shouting. The first type of poker is like they do it so violently and like you're just gonna break the whole slime. So yeah, I'm Mia, and today I'm gonna be showing you super nice slime. It's so cool and I love it. Like, it's so nice. Like, yeah. And it's super stretchy. Yeah. The next type of slime poker, like they don't even take it off the container. They just don't. So yeah. I'm gonna be showing you super nice slime. Yeah, and so this is all I can do with it, and please stop hating on me and say you're not even playing the slime, but this is like super amazing. Look, this is all I can do, so please don't hate on me. This is the best. The next slime poker is the pro. Like, they do it really well. The next one is like their first time poking slime, so like they don't like really play with it, just like touch it. So yeah. Hello, I am Miss Mommy, and today I'm gonna poke some slime. It's so nice. Like, oh, it's so squishy. I love it. So the next person is like the one that just gazes through the slime. Like, they don't even poke it, just like. So I got this super pretty slime, and I'm gonna poke it for you guys. So a lot of people say I'm not even poking my slime, but like, this is what I'm legit doing. I'm poking as hard as I can, and if you don't need slime facts, don't comment. So the next type of slime poker is the one that just like has slime all over the fingers, and it's like really unsatisfying. You guys say my slime is unsatisfying because I have slime all over my fingers, but that's what it's supposed to be for. Like, you know, I feel really tumbler. Like, yeah, I really like it. And if you don't know your slime facts, don't comment. Slime all over your fingers is amazing, so satisfying. Like, I don't understand, you guys. Like, so amazing. The next one, just like, they don't even use their hands, they use their elbows or their foot or something. Poking this really nice brown slime for y'all. And please don't comment I use my elbow or anything, because like, it's nice. And yeah, I love it. The next type of slime poker just uses one finger. It's super nice, like yellow slime, and I'm gonna poke it for y'all. The next one is the one who breathes like really heavily, like, so you can hear their breathing and you cannot even hear the slime. Very last slime poker is the one that like pokes melted slime. Hey guys, I made this super pretty like purple slime, and yeah, my friend told me it was melted, but like, no, it isn't. Like, oh, Thank you guys for watching my videos, and see you next time, and please like and subscribe.